The video on how to pay off your mortgage within 5 to 7 years.
Oh yeah, that video.
Yeah, man. Now, chances are you may have seen my other video, how to pay off your mortgage in 5 years, which has garnered over 3 million views, published over 2 years ago. And since then, there's been hundreds of other videos about HELOC strategy and how to pay off your mortgage, including critics as well as people who aren't quite of a fan, including this one that I've noticed scrolling down. And in this video, we have 2 critics that do a fairly good job of breaking down the HELOC strategy, but they miss a fine line detail that ultimately saves people money. Now, of course, in this video, we have Javier, who also challenges individuals like myself to come and do a debate and a conversation with them. So I take this matter to my own hands.
Subscribe to, check her out please, and of course, once again, we're open to a debate. If anyone out here wants to talk more crap on the comments, go ahead. Let's go on the podcast, let's settle this, let's do it. No, I'm just kidding. No, well, let's not be too aggressive, but we're open to a dialogue. Anything else you want to finish this video with, Jose?
All right, so let's go and call Javier up and see if he's up for a debate. Of course, we're going to do this on a separate YouTube segment, but Javier doesn't know that I'm going to be giving him a call. He's going to be, I'm sure he's going to be very surprised at the fact that I'm going to call him. So it's funny that he's got his phone number, his legitimate phone number on the YouTube video description. So I'm going to give him a call right now. And I know it's Pacific time over there, so he should be available 7:02. All right, let's give him a call.
Hello, this is Javier.
Hey, Javier, this is Sam Kwak, one of the Kwak Brothers. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
Good, man. Hey, I'm watching your video, your commentary on one of our video on how to pay off your mortgage in 5 to 7 years.
Which one is that?
The video on how to pay off your mortgage within 5 to 7 years.
Oh yeah, that video.
Yeah, man.
That
Hey,
video is the one that so I ended up making a follow video to that one too. But yeah, that one is the one I should have taken it down, but I just
oh no. Hey, I
you know,
this
the
so
negative, the positive come in, and I just take it and I go.
no. Hey, so I actually wanna accept your quote unquote challenge for the debate. We'd love to appear on your podcast to answer any questions that you have about the strategy.
Oh, dude, that's awesome. Oh,
I didn't get a comment responding for saying nice. Well, let me. I think that was Lizzie who was the one that wanted to get together with you. So I could definitely have me and Lizzie sit down and chat. And I don't think it necessarily could be a debate. I think more or less is I'm more very curious because you do that really well, and you've probably seen more success stories than bad stories. And,
Sure.
So I would love to talk to you and kind of get to know some good and how it works.
Yeah, for sure. And Javier, just letting you know, we're recording this right now on video. Just to give our audience a preview of what's coming. So I don't know if you don't mind recording this, and build some excitement around a potential video.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, for sure. So here's what I'll do is I'll send you an email, and then we'll go ahead and pick a date really to get this going.
Yeah, let me know, and I'll let Lizzie know, and then we can get the ball rolling for sure.
Okay. Alrighty. And Javier, hey, it's great meeting you first time over the phone, and we'll hopefully continue our conversation.
All right, you have a good one then.
All right, you too. Take care.
Bye-bye.
And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. We have a challenge accepted as far as a conversation, and I don't want to come off, with an hostile intent. I don't want to put, what these guys do. I totally get it. YouTube video is it's a lot of work that goes into making videos, so I don't necessarily want to put them on fire, necessarily criticize them. There are, parts where I disagree, but I think this is going to be a very civil conversation. So if you guys want to see this, you definitely want to subscribe to our channel, as well as check out the video that Javier and Lindsay, I believe, have put together their commentary and their critic on my video, how to pay off your mortgage in 5 to 7 years. So to be continued, we shall see how this ends.